Alright guys, so what an opportunity today. I've already ended the vlog, but I'm coming back again to show you something beautiful. The Ducati V2. This is Srujan's bike, and oh my god, I'm getting on a Ducati. I have I sat on a Ducati earlier in the showroom, but this is the first time I'm riding a Ducati, boys. Oh god. Let me tell you one small story. It was Matrix Reloaded when Trinity rode the Ducati, and I fell in love with Ducatis then. And it was back in 2012, I believe. I saw Ducati 1198 near my house in Secunderabad, and oh boy, that was a red underseat exhaust Ducati. Oh boy, I'm telling you, I am actually elated, excited. Beautiful, man, beautiful machine. Wow. This is so beautiful, insane. Okay, this has a quick shifter, right? I shouldn't be pressing the clutch and shifting. Wow. This is an L-twin V2. I believe it's somewhere around 140 bhp, 140 or 150. Man, this rides so awesome, freaking awesome. Oh god. I feel so happy today riding this bike. Wow, I'm already doing 140, 150 on this beautiful machine. I can't express in words how beautiful this machine is, boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Wow, colorful. This is insane. And there's this beautiful Ducati V4. It pulls like literally amazing, yeah. I mean, I can't express in words how beautifully it pulls. And it just twists the throttle even at the gear of fifth gear at the 95 speed. I just like it just wants to pull. That's the beauty of Italians, man. Wow. Guys, this is one hell of a machine. Wow, so beautiful. Pulls like a charm. The gears are so buttery smooth. The quick shifters and the auto blipper work like a beautiful charm, man. Okay. Wow. Huh? Fire vastunda? అదే తెలిసిందే అది బ్యూటిఫుల్ what you call experience of V2. Experience తందూరి లెగ్స్ అవి. ప్రాపర్ కూల్ టెంపరేచర్స్ ఉండాలి కానీ మస్తు ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు.